Hey everybody, welcome back to my show. Just kidding, this isn't my show, it's your show. And by your, I mean you and all of you amazing folks tuning in because you care about multiple sclerosis. Welcome to our MS Myth-Busting quiz show. Think you know everything about multiple sclerosis? Come on, I bet you're smarter than you think. We're gonna have some fun today, bust some MS myths, and hopefully learn a thing or two along the way. Are you ready to play? Great, let's do it. Oh, and stay tuned till the end for a special message. It wouldn't be show without a little something special, right? Alright, let's dive right in with our first myth. True or false? Multiple sclerosis is contagious. Take your time, think it through. Have you ever heard someone say they caught MS? No. And you know why? Because you can't catch it. This is a big one, folks. There's a lot of misinformation out there, and it's important to set the record straight. Multiple sclerosis is an autoimmune disease, which means the immune system mistakenly attacks healthy parts of the body. In the case of MS, it attacks the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers. So is MS contagious like a cold or the flu? Absolutely not. You can't catch it from someone else. You can't spread it by being close to someone. And you definitely can't get it from sharing a water bottle. Let's spread the word, not the myth. Remember, when it comes to MS transmission, knowledge is power. Raise MS awareness and bust those MS myths. Okay, question number 2. Get those thinking caps on. Which of these is a symptom of MS? Is it A, fatigue, B, blurry vision, C, fever, or D, numbness? This is a tricky one. MS can be a real trickster, you know? It affects everyone a little differently. Some folks experience fatigue that feels like they've run a marathon after walking to the mailbox. Others might have vision problems like blurry or double vision. And then there's numbness or tingling, which can feel like pins and needles or that feeling when your foot falls asleep. But what about fever? While a fever is your body's way of fighting off infection, it's not typically associated with MS. So the answer is C, fever. Remember, MS affects everyone differently, so it's important to talk to your doctor about any symptoms you might be experiencing. Stay aware and keep learning about MS symptoms through quizzes like this to spot MS symptoms early. Alright, Mythbusters, let's tackle another big one. True or false? Only older adults get MS. What do you think? Is this another MS myth waiting to be busted? Here's the thing about MS, it doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, regardless of age. While it's true that MS is often diagnosed in adults between the ages of 20 and 40, it can also affect children and older adults. It's like that saying, you're never too old to, well, you know the rest. And with MS, you're never too young either. The important thing is to be aware of the symptoms and to talk to your doctor if you have any concerns, no matter your age. MS awareness is crucial for everyone. Time for a little word game. What does MS stand for? This is your MS quiz. Is it A, multiple sclerosis, B, muscular sclerosis, C, myelin sclerosis, or D, motor sclerosis? Think carefully, it's all about those nerves. MS awareness is key. I know, sometimes medical terms can sound like a mouthful, but it's important to know what we're talking about, right? Understanding the full form of MS helps. So what does MS stand for? The answer is A, multiple sclerosis. And it's called multiple sclerosis because we're too cool for one sclerosis, so we had to get multiple. Okay, just kidding. It's called multiple sclerosis because the myelin damage can occur in multiple areas of the central nervous system, which includes the brain, spinal cord, and optic nerves. See? We're learning so much already. Our MS awareness is growing. Okay, folks, this next one is a big one, and it's important to be honest and upfront. Is there a cure for MS? True or false? There is a cure for MS. Take a moment, think it through. This is a common MS myth. I wish I could stand here and say, yes, there's a cure, but the truth is there's currently no cure for MS. And this is a big but, that doesn't mean there's no hope. MS treatment has come a long way. There have been incredible advancements in MS treatment over the years. We've got medications that can help manage symptoms, slow down the progression of the disease, and improve quality of life for people living with MS. So, while we don't have a cure, there's a lot to be hopeful for. MS awareness is key to understanding and supporting those affected. Alright, last question. Which of these is a common treatment for MS? A, antibiotics, B, physical therapy, C, chemotherapy, or D, insulin? Think about what we've learned about MS so far. We know it's an autoimmune disease, not an infection, so antibiotics are out. Chemotherapy is typically used for cancer treatment, and insulin is for diabetes. That leaves us with B, physical therapy. Physical therapy can be incredibly helpful in managing MS symptoms. It can help improve strength, flexibility, balance, and coordination. And you know what? It can also help with fatigue and mood. It's all about keeping those bodies moving. So when it comes to MS treatment options, physical therapy is a key player in MS care. Remember, MS awareness is crucial for better management and support. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks for playing our MS Myth-Busting quiz show. How did you do? Did you learn something new? I hope you did. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content on MS awareness and MS myths. And be sure to share it with your friends, family, even your neighbor. Let's get the word out and bust those MS myths together. Stay tuned for our next video where we dive deeper into MS treatments and MS quiz results. We'll have more information on what's available, what's new, and what's on the horizon. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.